Thank you guys so much for coming. My girlfriend's gonna be here any second now, okay? So.
Guys, she's coming! She's coming! Everyone hide!
Give me the cake, give me the cake, give me the cake. Go, go, go. Hide. Shh. Get down.
You're such a good boyfriend. She's gonna love this.
Thank you.
Get down! Okay, he's not here.
Only got 5 minutes.
It's okay, we have enough time.
Hold on.
What?
Did your boyfriend got condoms?
They don't make them that small.
What a bitch.
Oh.
Oh my god, babe. What are you doing here? I thought you were supposed to be at work.
I took the day off to surprise you.
I'm so sorry. It's not what it looks like.
How can you do this to me, babe?
It's just, oh my god.
It's over between us.
Babe, please give me another chance. I promise I'll never. It was a joke, babe.
She's cheating on me.
No. But babe, it was a joke. What are you talking about? We set this whole thing up.
You are cheating on me, and you guys are covering up for her.
No.
Look, listen, it was a joke. It was supposed to be funny.
Babe, I love you.
That's crazy.
He's gay.
We were just joshing you.
Stay the fuck back.
What are you...
Who is he?
I'm Gary from Cincinnati.
I'm not stupid!
It was just a joke.
She's cheating on me with that guy!
Calm down.
Well, calm down!
Take it easy!
You guys think it's funny, huh?
Take it easy!
You think it's funny?
Just put the gun down.
Whoa. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Put the gun down? Okay.
No! What did you do? I put you through this and I made you do this. No.
No one cheats on me!
No, please. Are you serious?
Should I tell her?
Oh, yeah! Tell her!
You see, we knew that you were gonna prank me, so I reversed it and pranked you.
This isn't even funny. You went too far. I thought he was really dead.
Oh, I can't prank you now?
You're a piece of shit. That wasn't even funny. It's over.
Hey, we're joke.
Oh, I didn't see it go that way.
I knew that you knew that I was gonna prank you, so when you pranked me, I pranked you back.
Turn around, your hands up. Who has the gun?
This is a joke.
I got backup on every corner of this block. This is not a joke.
Who is it? Who is it?
We heard gunshots. I need to search all of you right now.
Who was it?
Hands where I can see them.
Yo.
I'm a police officer. Okay? Comply.
We're just a bunch of kids trying to have fun.
Just having fun.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say. Oh my god. This is a prank. I'm your next door neighbor, and I heard through the wall, and I knew that he knew that she knew that he actually knew that she would play a prank on you. So then I was like, I should play a prank on all of them. Isn't that funny? I just want a new group of friends.
How about you get the fuck out of my house before I really call the police?
You ruined everything.
You thought this video was over, but it's not.
What now?
Okay, now it's over.